We'll guide you through how to upload own product in Grok. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to upload files and quickly summarize documents using Grok AI. Many users need help analyzing product files, reports, or study materials without reading everything manually. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser opens, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top, so you can type a website address. Next, type grok.com carefully into the address bar, so you can access the official website of Grok AI. After typing the address correctly, press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the website. You will be taken to the Grok AI homepage and may automatically be logged in if your browser is already connected to an account. When the login page appears, click Sign in the top right corner so you can sign in using your email account. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure the address is typed correctly. Then, click Next to proceed to the password entry page. On the following screen, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing errors. After entering your password, click Login to log in. Once the login process is completed successfully, you will be taken to the main dashboard of Grok AI, where different creative tools are available. After logging in, click Chat in the top right corner to open the chat workspace where you can interact with the AI. Next, click the pincer icon located next to the prompt field to open the attachment and upload options. When the menu appears, click Upload a file so you can add a document or product file from your computer. Select your product file, then click Open to upload the file to the chat. After that, enter your prompt, for example, summarize the material in the file. After entering your instruction clearly, click the up arrow icon to start creating and processing the request. The system will analyze the uploaded file and generate a response based on your prompt. Once the process is finished, the results will automatically appear in the chat window, displaying the summarized information from the file you uploaded.